Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's becoming increasingly relevant in the world of artificial intelligence and media production. Have you ever heard the term metadata injection? No? Well, you're in for a treat. In the next few minutes, we'll explore what metadata injection is, how it works, and why it matters, especially in AI-generated media. So, let's get started. But first, you might be wondering, what exactly is metadata injection? And why should we even care about it? Let's break it down. To understand metadata injection, we first need to grasp what metadata itself is. Simply put, metadata is data about data. It provides information that helps us understand and organize content. For example, when you take a photo, the metadata might include details like the date, time, location, and even the camera settings. This information helps us sort and find our photos later. In the context of AI-generated media, metadata can be incredibly powerful. It helps search engines find content, improves accessibility, and can even enhance the user experience. Now, let's talk about metadata injection specifically. This refers to the process of embedding or altering metadata within media files automatically, often using AI tools. For instance, when an AI generates a piece of music or a digital artwork, it can also generate the associated metadata. This might include the title, the artist's name, the genre, and even keywords that describe the mood or themes of the piece. This is where things get interesting. Let's take a look at a practical example. Imagine an AI that creates a new piece of digital art. Along with the image, it generates metadata that states the medium used, the style, and even the inspiration behind the work. This makes it easier for platforms to categorize and recommend the artwork to users who are interested in similar styles. According to a study by the International Journal of Information Management, effective metadata can increase the visibility of content online by up to 50%. This means that when creators use metadata injection, they are not just enhancing their own work, but also making it easier for audiences to discover it. But it's not just about discovery, it's also about control. Metadata injection enables creators to define how their work is perceived. For example, if an AI-generated video includes metadata that highlights its educational value, it might be prioritized in search results when users look for learning resources. This can drive more views and engagement. On the flip side, poorly designed or inaccurate metadata can mislead audiences or result in content being lost in the vast digital ocean. Think about it. How many times have you searched for something online and struggled to find exactly what you were looking for? The right metadata can bridge that gap. Now, let's get a little technical. Metadata injection often involves using standardized formats like JSON-LD, RDF, or schema.org. These formats help AI systems understand and categorize content correctly. For example, JSON-LD can be injected into web pages to enhance search engine optimization results, making the content more likely to appear in relevant search queries. And it's not just limited to visual art or music. In the world of text-based content, metadata injection can help AI-generated articles or blogs become more accessible. By embedding keywords, author information, and publication dates, these pieces can reach the right audience much more effectively. So, to recap, metadata injection is the process of automatically embedding or altering metadata in AI-generated media. It enhances discoverability, improves user experience, and helps creators maintain control over their work's perception. And with the right tools and techniques, the potential for metadata injection is only going to grow. As we continue to explore the intersection of technology and creativity, understanding concepts like metadata injection will become increasingly important. It's a tool that not only empowers creators but also enhances the experience for audiences around the globe. If you found this information helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content on technology and media. We'd love to hear your thoughts on metadata injection. Have you used it in your own projects? Drop your comments below and let's chat. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.